a new page, PHP page. This time it is for albums by price. Okay, I'm going to save this page as well as album by price. Okay, it takes it as a PHP page. On this page, let's say I'm inserting a table with 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to, let's say 3, sorry, 2 rows, 3 columns, border thickness 1, padding 5, spacing 0, and so on. So I've got a table. Let me quickly change the table column names. I might show here the music artist, music title, and album price. So another page which will only show categorically these 3 columns. Okay. Now here, if you can see the table, I have designed myself. I'm not using dynamic data table. Okay, because I'm going to use customized values for every single thing. Now for the record sets here, let's create another query. So this time under the server behaviors, I'm going to create record set. This is for price or album price as a record set name, same connection, music table, and instead of displaying all the columns, we can select the particular columns. Okay, so when you say selected means by pressing down the control key, you can actually select random columns you want. So for this, we want artist, the title of the artist song, and its album's price. So I'm going to select the title, hold down the control, artist, and the price. So I've only selected 3 columns. I'm not filtering anything for a while, but I'm going to sort the record set's value based on the price, and I want to show the higher price first. So we can select the sorting in the descending sort. So we will see the artist albums whose prices are higher, and then it will go lower, right? This is my query. You can quickly take it. There you go. It shows the titles, artist, and price highest to the lowest. So it's working. Okay. When I say OK, our query has done. Now for individual columns, I can go to the bindings, and from the record sets, I can pick the title should go under the music title, artist should go under music artist, price should go under price. Now how you want to display the region. If I save so far and check the preview, this is what happens. We only see one record, which is the first record from the disk. To do this as a repeated record, we want to actually show the repeated records not in a separate columns, but as a new row. So we have to actually repeat the values of record sets as a new row of your table. For that, you can click in this row, anywhere in this second row, pick that TR, which is your table row for the particular table, and going back to server behaviors, click on the add panel or add options, and under the record set query, we have repeat region. Now this was all happening automatically when we actually use this dynamic data table. It does this repeat region and everything on its own. Okay, but when we do ourselves, we pick the particular item, and then from server behavior, we will actually apply a repeat region from here. So when I apply that, it asks me which record set I want to use for this particular repeat region. So we have only one for a while. Show the 10 records or all the records. I'm saying all. Okay. And you can see here, it actually adds a repeated region for our values. I'm going to simply again double check by going into the code view. You can click on this repeat tab, go to the code view, and just double check that this PHP code, which is actually using do and while condition loop. Okay, so it's actually the do should be before tr, and the while condition should be after the tr. So if that is the correct order you have, then we are going to see this row repeated with the new value from the database. Okay, so just double checking. If I'll just save this, check it. There you go. That's my new page. Now here I'm actually showing customized values for artist, title, and the album price in a descending order. Okay, so you're actually running more intermediate queries. You can correlate all of this to what you have done in Access as well, to run advanced queries for your file. But just you have to remember, any page or any records you want to show, you might show in the same web page as well. But if you are showing multiple results on the same web page using different queries, you have to apply a different record set. So you have to remember that. And for the confirmation, if I'll go back to display records web page, do you see here record set 1 as a query? Now if I'll try here repeat region or something for this, or maybe here I'm going to add a new table, and just add music artist, and let's say in the same web page I want this particular record set as a repeated. So if I'll select that record, and if I'll try and apply server behavior repeat region and say record set, same record set, it gives me the error. The error is the selected record sets has already used in one of the repeat region. So within the same web page, you cannot use the same query. Okay, just give a different name and it should be all right. For demonstration, I've created a separate page for you. So it didn't ask us this warning at all. But if you're doing something similar on the same page, make sure you have different record sets defined. Okay. Let's try this customized record sets as well.